this year, I choosing myself and my mental health. No guilt, no apologies.
Yay!
Next.
Ayan. For this year, syempre, more growth, syempre, financially, maraming travel, and success ng buong grupo. Oo nga eh. Sasaya pa.
More pa, more.
Ayan. For this year, I'm grateful for chances and graces because they met me exactly where I am. Still growing, learning, and very excited for all the mistakes kasi doon ako matututo pa.
Kamali ka lang.
For God so love the world.
Ayan, so sa akin, wins ko ngayon, yung Team Joms, consistently may mga travel incentive qualifiers na. And then for my personal, nakapag-travel abroad na, tapos may dalawa na pipeline next year.
Ayun. Sa akin, una, na-complete ko yung target ko na savings amount.
Wow!
Lahat kayo may scholarship sa akin. Joke lang. Tapos, my team grew exponentially. I was able to finish my internship sa law school. I lost 20 kilos and I got to live comfortably.
Wow!
Yung kilos talaga.
Okay. For this 2025, I celebrate yung pag-grow ng Team Von. Tapos, hindi na ako namang problema sa pambayad ng credit card monthly. Kasi kay Pro guys, tumataas yung income every year. And then, I celebrate also yung business, yung sari-sari store ng parents kasi hindi ko na masyadong iniisip yung future nila. Meron silang sariling pera.
Yay!
Okay, next team, that's John.
Ikaw na, Jen.
Treya.
Si Dre.
Ayan. So, this year na beat ko yung run goal ko. So, nakatakbo ko ng 16 kilometers. Tapos, I'm finally debt-free, more financially stable. And then, I fixed my relationship with my parents and myself.
Kahit sino na, basta ko yung mga pinapagpapinayan kaya.
For this year, promotion from AUM to JUM and travel incentives to BKK and NZ. And finally got engaged.
Yay!
This year, staying committed with Pro, nandito pa rin ako. Kasi as a mom, may mga ano tayo na busy. Dito kay Pro, kahit ang mami ka, mapagsasabay mo yung work at saka yung mga errands mo sa buhay. Thank you, Pro. And then, dahil doon, may time freedom ako, kaya na-promote ako as International Church Officer. And then, dahil din kay Pro, may time freedom pa rin ako, no? Napagsasabay ko yung business namin. So, meron kaming nakukuha major contracts sa business.
Congrats natin sa
Ayan. So sa akin, yung syempre yung JUM promotion ang nangyari early this year, no? Then sabay din yung mga travels, tapos na-met ako ng mga mga teammates, no? Parang kumbaga nahanap ko unti-unti yung mga teammates na naging friends na din from clients to teammates, no? Then for personal naman siguro yung engagement, then yun, happy family palagi.
Hi, so my wins this year, 2025, so I'm new here in the Pro life. I just coded last September, I think September 2025, so mga 3 months pa lang, first quarter ko. My wins is nasimulan na din sa wakas yung wedding plans namin. So, na-adjust na tayo in time. So, kasi yung ibon din namin kailangan. And then, isa ko pang win is I started a new career here in Pro Life, which is really outside my box, outside my comfort zone. So, I'm not into sales because I'm in engineering department. So, hindi ko alam kung ano. So, yun lang. Lastly is I was able to bring my parents to their dream vacation this year.
Wow! Yes!
Ayan, dito yung achievements ko, wins for this year, hindi ko na sinama yung material things kasi I believe na dito siya lahat ng galing. Lahat ng nanggaling dito, yung material, bonus na lang siya. Bali, pinaka-wins actually. Growth, resilience, and then perseverance. Doon ko nakita yung sarili ko this year.
Go girls!
Ayun. Hello po. So this year, I would say na mas clear yung path na binibigay sa atin, no, through my wife and son. Mas nare-realize ko yung path, parang mas nakalay down na siya. So, career-wise, and then part-time wise, I think andun na siya. Kailangan lang ng kumbaga action. So, ayun, kahit maliit man yun, malaki pa rin pag naipon. So, parang quiet wins are still a win. So, this year, ayun, na-achieve natin yung first client. Ayun.
Sige na, Prince. Naiiyak ko.
Yung wins ko this year, una, I'm still alive. So, ayun, thankful ako kasi dito ako kasama kayo. Tapos, motivation din ng sub-units ko. And magti 3 years na din ako sa pro.
Yay!
Hello po. Ang wins ko po this year is, syempre po yung everyday na binibigay ni God na buhay. And then, good health sa family. At saka naging part ako ng Pro Life kahit bago pa lang. Tsaka nababayaran ko pa rin yung mga bills every month.
Nice.
And then sana yung wins ko sa susunod na, ngayong darating na taon magkaroon pa ako ng maraming clients and then makapag-travel.
Yay!
Hi! Konti lang yung wins ko siguro this year. Pero very memorable kasi sobrang dami na ng team namin. Tapos sobrang dami ko ring travel incentive na this year dahil kay Pro Life. Nabili ko ng cash yung MacBook ko. Nag-ProVenture din ako and consistent na nakakuha ng bonus sa ProVenture. So yun lang.
Congrats, Jonas!
Ayan, so, syempre, very thankful to God for all of the blessings na He bestowed to me all throughout the year. But, most importantly, I think the highlights, firstly, started na yung Dream Team. It's growing na. And secondly, finally, move out na. So, I mean, living independently to my new crib. And then, when it comes to experiences naman, first half marathon and first rock climbing. So, yun lang.
91 kilometer. Next.
Yes, girl. Funny rock.
Wins ko for this year, personal growth, learning new things, and making new friends. Ayun lang. Balik ko na sana eh. Yan.
Congrats,
Hello po, T. Ang wins ko po yung nakakit po ako ng Mount Tapulaw na hindi sumusuko. Tapos, ito na po yung parang birthday ko kasi sa iba't ibang party po ng nasamahan ko po, nag-celebrate po ako ng birthday ko. Tapos nakabuild ako ng new friends, new family, ganyan. Yun po. And God, thank God kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako ganun nagkakasakit. Thank you.
Tayo talaga yan. Congrats, team.
Yes!
So, ayan, congrats team. Sana mas marami pa tayong wins no, sa 2026. For sure naman yan. Kasi sipag naman lahat ng nasa team.